Making sense of phrase prepositions. A journey into language. Hello, English learners. Welcome back to another exciting episode in our Grammar Fundamentals series. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic: phrase prepositions. Are you ready? Let's get started. Phrase prepositions, also known as complex prepositions, are prepositions that consist of two or more words. For example, according to, because of, in spite of, are all phrase prepositions. These multi-word prepositions help us express complex ideas and relationships in our sentences. Phrase prepositions are not scary at all. They're your friends. They are used just like single-word prepositions. They usually come before a noun phrase, pronoun, or gerund, creating a prepositional phrase that modifies another word in the sentence. For example, because of the rain, we stayed indoors. She did well on the test, in spite of not studying. In both sentences, the phrase prepositions, because of, in spite of, are followed by a noun phrase, the rain, not studying. The prepositional phrases modify the verb in each sentence: stayed, did. There are many phrase prepositions in English. Some of the most common ones include in addition to, due to, instead of, prior to, out of, on behalf of, and many others. Each one has its unique usage and meaning. For instance, in addition to studying English, she is learning Spanish. Here, the phrase preposition, in addition to, adds extra information about what else she is doing apart from studying English. And that's a wrap on phrase prepositions. Everyone. They might seem tricky at first, but with practice, you'll be using them like a pro in no time. Keep practicing and experimenting with these phrase prepositions in your conversations and writing. Remember, language learning is a journey, not a destination. See you in our next lesson. Video script created by ChatGPT, powered by OpenAI.